không skippable object. Okay, so skippable object this one okay, right click, create, okay, scripting, scriptable object, and then this is the script this is the script, items so, okay, and then for inventory, okay, this one is the code, okay, then right click, then open create empty inventory, okay, drag your script into here. Okay, then you create an object, create 3D cube here. Okay, this one. Okay, make sure your box colliders, you can make your collider bigger a bit. You click edit, this one, okay, and make sure you trigger because your coding is triggers here. Okay, so you open the script, we call it as a pickup item.cs. This one, pickup item.cs. This one. Okay, so this one, okay, you right click, create material, and type, for example, like grabs. Okay, select your grab, okay, and drag and drop to your cube. Drag and drop to your cube. Okay, so select this one and rename it as a grape. Okay, so for your grape, you can put it the pickup items here, the pickup items script. So for inventory, you drag your inventory to here, and item SO you select. Okay, this one is grab, so you select your item SO is grab. Okay, if you are apples, so your select item is apple. If you are orange, so your items is orange. Okay, then for this one, okay, the pickup item, okay, you drag to your items. So now we goes to save game. Okay, so for save game, it's same like the registers, okay, but we'll change to save game. Okay, so you can get the code, okay, here save game.php. This one, save game.php. Okay, so this one, we put the values into it, item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, you see this one, item SO, we put all our items here. Okay, so this one, you can see we have the save game, right? So this is our save game button. Okay, so for our save game button, we attach our script here for save game. So, and then we put the first one, apple, grape, orange. If you have another one, for example, banana, so you can put bananas here. Okay, you can put banana here. So for your save game, if you have 4 items, you can add few 4 items here, and then one more here Save inventory, even more here. You can put it here. Save items. So this is the code for save game. So you can get it in my webpage, savegame.php. This one, savegame.php, this one. Okay, so now you can test your game. Okay, so test your game. So you do the collisions for your orange. So you check your item SO. You see your item SO with the orange is item count will add one more. So you go for apples. Apple got item count is 2, right? So you go and collect your item. Now you have your 3. Okay, after this you need to click the save game. Okay, now you need to check with your database. This is your database, and you browse your item. You have updated all the item 323. Okay, once you click your save button. So in this case, okay, you need to go to player amateurs. and you will find this one, he will lock our cursors, so enable you for clicking the button. Wait, which one? Goes to player amateur, goes to, okay, goes to player amateur, okay, and then starter asset input. Okay, you uncheck this one, cursor lock. Okay, if cursor lock already, so means that you cannot click the button. Okay, so now you play and you save it, so all the data from the scriptable object will be saved. Okay, so we can check, so if orange, if item count is 3, so select lah, so now become 4 already, and the item ID is 2, right? So item is 2, so make sure when you put your save button here, the first one is apple, right? Apples is 1, okay, and then orange is 2, so make sure this one, second one, orange is 2, so you need to change to orange to second. Okay, orange is item ID 2, grape is item 3, so for your save, grape is item 3. Can, so based on your ID you put this one, then it will store correctly, make sure you stop first then modify. I forgot already, so I need to do again. So goes to your save here. Okay, the second is orange, the third is grape. Okay, so based on your ID here, what you write lah? Because I write my apple is 1, then my orange is second, then my grape is third. Okay, and then make sure that you have this one, the structures, you create item this one, okay, and your code with the connects is you need to uncomment this one, uncomment this one. So that's all lah,